Hello guys, this is Cyber Digado from Digado Technologies, and today I'm going to show you how you can scan or how you can find vulnerabilities within your network, how you can find or get to know vulnerabilities within your system, and how you are going to manage those vulnerabilities. Okay, good. So I'm going to show you the process of which you are going to use to find the vulnerabilities within your management or within your network or within your company or within your computers, okay, so that hackers can't use that vulnerability to, let me say, hack you, okay, so that hackers can't exploit that vulnerabilities. Okay, if I say vulnerability, it means weakness within your company or within your network. Okay, good. And if I say exploits, it means how the hacker is going to make use of that vulnerabilities or that holes within your network to, let me say, harm you or hack you. You get it? Good. And so I'm going to show you how you can use this simple tool to find or check vulnerabilities within your network as a cyber security person or as a senior, let me say, security staff within your company. Okay, good. So as you can see on my dashboard, you can see my scans, you can see all scans, you can also see trash. Okay, good. So what I'm going to do is I want to create, or let me say, I have to create, okay, a new folder for this particular tutorials. Okay, good. I'm going to create a new folder for this particular tutorials, and so let me create the tutorials. As you can see on my screen, you are going to click on new folder. You click on new folder, then let me type here Windows Server. Okay, good. So I'm going to use this Windows Server for this tutorial. So as you can see, Windows Server. Okay, there's nothing here. So what I'm going to do is, you see, initially you can scan a whole host. Okay, let me say the whole host within your network. Okay, if I say host, that means you are going to scan all the network, okay, to find the devices that are within your network. You get it? Good. But over here in these tutorials, because of time, I'm going to scan only my Windows operating system. That's why I've made the folder name as what? Windows Server. I'm going to only scan on my Windows operating system to find any vulnerabilities or any vulnerability within my computer. Okay, good. So let me click on create a new scan. As you can see, you can scan for host discovery. Okay, so if you want to scan for host discovery, this means this application is going to show you all the devices within your network. Okay, that is why it's called host discovery. Okay, good. But for now, I'm not going to work on this host discovery, no, because of time. As I've already said, I'm only going to work on my Windows operating system to show you how you can find vulnerability or hosts within your computer or within your network. Okay, good. So I'm going to perform basic network scan. As you can see, basic network scan. So I'm going to click on that. Good. So as you can see, here is the pop-up. Okay, so I have to enter a name here. So Digado's computer. Okay, let me do it that way, or Digado computer. Okay, good. So okay, sorry, let me make it PC Digado. Okay, good. You can also let me say write any description here. Okay, but for now I'm not going to input any description here. Okay, because of time. You get it? Good. So here is the place that you are going to add your target. As I said, you can scan for your whole network. Okay, good. But for now, I'm only going to scan on my Windows operating system. Okay, So I'm going to type the IP address over here. Okay, so how can I know the IP address of my Windows operating system? I've taught you this one already. So you come back to, or you go to IP config, then I click on enter. Sorry guys, my okay, good. So here's my IP address. I have to copy it. Okay, I've copied it. Okay, good. So let me paste it over here. So this is my IP address. Okay, let me check it once again. Let me check it once again. Okay, so let me add it. Okay, I'm adding it. So you are just going to click on save. Click on save. So let's wait for some seconds for it to save. Good. So it has been saved. It has been saved. So what is the next step? Okay, so let me get back to my Windows server again. So sorry, as you can see, here is the PC Digado. Okay, so here is the network that we are going to work on. Okay, good. So I have to click on this small arrow here. Okay, launch, to launch it, to scan for the vulnerabilities. So let's wait for a few more seconds. So when it's done, okay, I'll show you the result. Okay, good. So let's check for the outcome. Okay, so I've double clicked on the PC Digado. So as you can see, here's the outcome. Okay, one host, wow, 22 vulnerabilities. Okay, one note and one history. Okay, good. So as you can see, you can see the summary. Okay, within, or let me say on the pie charts. Okay, good. So this red means critical. Okay, this color means high. We have medium, low, and info. Okay, so I'm having 82% of info, and then 18% of medium. Okay, good. So as you can see from here, okay, 7th medium, and then let me say infos are what, 44. Okay, good. So let me double click on that. Wow. So as you can see, okay, this medium mix and what info. Okay, initially the info isn't a loop, or let me say the info isn't a vulnerability. Okay, good. So let me double click on the medium. Good. So as you can see, this vulnerability is saying that signing is not required. Okay, so initially this is a vulnerability within my computer. Okay, good. So as you can see, the severity is what, medium. Okay, medium here, and then the type is remote. Okay, good. So the risk information are being provided by this web application. So initially this is the risk information. Okay, so you can see from here, and you can find the vulnerability information. Okay, good. And the most interesting thing is this web application gives you the solution to it. Okay, so as you can see, the description and then the solution here. Okay, so enforce message signing, blah 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 blah, as you can see. Okay, good. So here is the solution to this vulnerability. Okay, so you can find some books online, read about it, you get it. Good. So here's my IP address. Okay, the IP address that I scanned. Okay, good. So let me go back and show you one vulnerability again. Okay, let me double click on this one. Okay, sorry. Okay, good. So this vulnerability has a description. Okay, so let's read this description. The remote web server reviews the physical path of the web root when a non-existent page is requested. Okay, so this is the vulnerability here. Okay, and here is the solution. So the solution is I should upgrade the web server. Sorry guys, sorry. So the solution over here is I should upgrade the web server to the latest version. Okay, good. Or alternatively, reconfigure the web server to disable the bug reporting. Okay, so here is the loophole or the vulnerability, and here is the solution. Okay, so you being the head of security within your company, or you being the cyber security or a security guy, you can at least use this solution to solve the issue. Okay, good, to solve the issue. Good. So here's the outcome. Okay, you can take your time and read it. Okay, good. So let me show you one more vulnerability here. Okay, okay, okay. So I'm having SSL medium strength cipher suite was supported. Okay, so it will depend on anybody's let me say network, okay, or computer within your company. Okay, so basically this is the vulnerability that I find in my Windows operating system. Okay, good. You see, there wasn't any critical let me say vulnerability here because I did, let me say, a basic scan. Okay, good. But there's this let me say scan that you can at least reconfigure. Okay, if you want to do a deep scanning, we call something the logins. Okay, scanning. Okay, whereby you are going to provide the username and the password of that computer. Okay, good, so that this web application can go deeper and do mass scanning. Okay, so let me reconfigure this one and show you how it is being done. Okay, it is called credentials scanning. Okay, good. So I'm clicking on this credentials. Okay, good. I'm selecting Windows. You see, I have to provide the username of this computer and then the password. Okay, good. So if you do not know the username of your computer, just open command prompt. Okay, open command prompt and type who am I, and type who am I. Okay, good. So as you can see, administrator. Okay, administrator. Good. So let me copy that. Okay, let me paste it here and type the password of this computer. Okay, let me type that. It's a secret. Okay, after that I have to save it. Okay, so what this, sorry my bad, let me paste it once again, the username and then my password. Okay, so let me save it. Okay, good. So it has been saved successfully. Okay, so what this scan is, it does a deeper scanning. Okay, as you can see in the first one, there wasn't any critical, let me say, vulnerability. Okay, this web application couldn't identify any critical vulnerability within my computer. Okay, because I did, let me say, a basic scan. Okay, good. But for now I've let me say inputted my credentials. Okay, so this time I'm going to do credential scanning. Okay, that's why I provided the name of my computer and the password of this computer. Okay, So it's going to do a deep scanning. Okay, so let me launch it again. Okay, launch the scan again. Okay, let me get back. Okay, let me click on launch. So this time it's going to do a thorough scan. Okay, good. Okay, good. So the next scanner has been done. Okay, so let me double click on that to select it. Okay, good. So good. As you can see, we had a critical here. Okay, we had a critical here because we did a credential scanning. Okay, whereby I inputted the name of this computer and the password of this computer. Okay, good. As you can see, you have 88% of info, you have 11% of medium, and then 1%, okay, of high, okay, of high vulnerability. Okay, good. Let me show you once again from the previous scan. You see, let me scroll here. This is the previous scan. Okay, the previous scan without the credentials. As you can see, we only had medium and then the info. Okay, we only had the medium and the info without any high or critical vulnerability. Okay, good. So if you want to do a proper, let me say, a deep scanning, you have to go by the credential scanning. Okay, so as you can see, the first scanning, sorry, this scanning, okay, we did a credential scanning whereby we inputted the name of this computer and the password. So as you can see, we had a high vulnerability. Okay, so let me select that. Let me select that. Okay, let me select it. Okay, good, and go into it and show you the vulnerabilities. Okay, so here are the vulnerabilities. Okay, good. So here is the mix. Okay, let me double click on that. Good. As you can see, we had a high vulnerability here. Okay, good. So let me double click on that and show you. Okay, so this is the whole, or this is the vulnerability. Okay, good. So you can take your time and read. Okay, it depends on your computer or on your network. Okay, good. If you have, let me say, old age softwares installed on your computer, it is going to be highlighted, okay, for you to do an update. Okay, so as you can see the solutions here. Okay, because of time, as I said earlier, I'm not going to take you deeper into this. Okay, so you have some resources to check, and here are the outcome. Okay, good. So let me get back and show you one more vulnerability again and close for today. Okay, so let me go back once again. So the medium. Okay, good. So as you can see, the vulnerability here, SMB signing not required. Okay, so this is the problem. Okay, good. So you can just go through, take your time. Let me select this medium. Okay, let me get back once again. Okay, so guys, this is what I was talking about. Okay, this is what I was talking about. So let me select this one and show you how it is. Okay, so you can see the description over here. You can see the solution. Okay, so basically this is the vulnerability within my computer right now. Okay, you can see the outputs. Okay, good. So I'm not going to show you how you are going to patch it, or because of time, you get it. So if you see here, vulnerability information. Okay, as you can see, exploit available, true. Okay, this means my computer can be hacked, or okay, it can be exploited through this vulnerability. Okay, it can be exploited by any hacker or any other person. Okay, through this vulnerability. Okay, good. So basically this is what I was talking about. Okay, good. You have some reference here, so you can just go double click on this one and check and read about them. Okay, good. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Once again, I'm called Digado from Digado Technologies. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel and join also join my TikTok account. Okay, thank you.